my brothers and my partner.
My name is Rj45.
We will to show you how to make Rj45 cable.
You must take all necessary procedure to prevent unwanted injuries. Be careful when using sharp objects while doing work. Make sure everything is in good condition. Use gloves to make sure hands are not injured.
We are going to show you materials and tools. Number one, stripper, crimping tools and cutter, Rj45 connector and cable tester.
Go.
And cable Cat 5. Firstly, cut the tip of the cable using a cable cutter. Secondly, stripper the wires and arrange the wires according orange white, orange, green white, blue white, green, brown white and brown. Thirdly, grip Rj45 connector. The first pin for the left is pin number 1.
Next, insert the wire in the Rj45 connector.
Go.
After that, using a crimping to tighten the Rj45 connector. Finally, test the cable using a cable tester if all the light blink. That's how to make a Rj45 cable. Not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.